Audio. I don't know if I can get my name called. Oh, Pistol Grip 127 New York Video Gate. Audio. Oh, Pistol Grip 127 New York Video Gate roll.
The way you just get down. How about you out there in nowhere? 926 Big D Dallas, Texas, waving a hand.
Hey, 926, look at 127 around New York. Hey, audio. Yo, 926, look at my New York Video Gate, hello.
926 Big D Dallas, Texas, stepping.
No contact, 926, no contact, 926. Pistol, New York Video Gate, down and out.
Hey, 162, you had control of my radio just then, man. Good morning time, 162 in New York, 84, waving a hand. 926, don't have no use around Brooklyn, New York, Trinity, 9, get down. Go driving station. Roger that, top 5579. Customers on your around Brooklyn, California, Casual Radio, but
I don't know. Old Pistol around New York. Audio. I don't know. Old Pistol Grip around New York. Old Pistol. Oh, Pistol New York Video Game roll.
8508 the Keystones, you come up on all my ass and trash. 8508 the Keystones, 926 Big D Dallas, Texas, waving a hand.
I'm gonna have to find out where that Big D Dallas Video Gate is all at. I gotta find out where that Big D Dallas Video Gate all at, because every time I come off the key, he just want me to hear it. Oh, New York City, old Pistol. Old Pistol. Audio. Old Pistol around New York, rocking on.
Yep, got it out there, Pistol Grip. Hey, Pistol Grip, old number 11, Big Horn. Hey, Pistol Grip, number 11. Break a.
11, audio drive, Pistol, New York, get rolling.
No doubt about it, man. Thought I'd jump in there and say hello. 127, number 11, go.
10-4, Roger, happy holiday, welcome to the weekend. Audio. I'm trying to get it all right. I'm trying to get it operational right. Oh, me and this 29 and a half, goddamn. Hey, Trinitron 9, it's your Video Gate. Hey, Trinitron 9, I'm gonna go on the side and roll me an L. Hey, yo, Trinitron, your Video Gate. Oh, Pistol. Audio. Trin, I go.
Trinitron 9, Brooklyn, New York with the worldwide wave. Trinitron 9, Brooklyn, New York with the worldwide wave. Morning out there, 122, State of Maine, 84, Bayou Wave. Need to look it up. All kinds of good stuff on that YouTube channel, you know. I heard that New York station in there waving a hand at 84 in the Bayou. I didn't catch the name or numbers, but wave my hand back at you.
84 in the Bayou, you're blowing smoke around my New York Video Gate. That other gentleman out there, you're right. Pistol Grip Video Gate, that channel's got a lot of shit. NYC Radio Wars, the playlist on YouTube. NYC Radio Wars, the playlist on YouTube for the score and what's what around New York. Old Pistol Grip 127 New York Video Gate, I'm not quiet.
cleaning our radios, cleaning our radios, cleaning our radios. Trinitron 9, Brooklyn, New York with the wave, and I just got down.
Yeah, for sure, 510 out there, something out there. We'll put a wave out there. Back now.
Who's gonna clean up my Brooklyn, New York base station? There's all of the hash and trash out there, but who's gonna do the job and clean up this Brooklyn, New York base station? Trinitron 9 with the Sony audio, the Sony sound, and the Sony experience. Breaker, breaker, breaker. What about it around the Sunshine State? What about it around the Sunshine State? Trinitron 9, Brooklyn, New York looking. What about it around the Sunshine State? Breaker, breaker, breaker. It is Rahway Joe, Rahway, New Jersey. Hey, Rahway Joe, Rahway, New Jersey. You got the Pistol Grip 127 video game rolling. You got the Pistol Grip 127 video game rolling on YouTube. Take care, Rahway, Rahway Joe. Take care. Bye, bye, bye. Oh yeah, I'm the same Trinitron 9, just giving you the Sony sound, the Sony experience, and the Sony audio. This is the same Trinitron 9, Coney Island, there, Roger. Catch you later, my brother. You sounding good in Coney Island. Be safe. Trinitron 9 base station, Brooklyn, New York. Bye, bye, bye. And that's a Rahway Joe, Roger.
I don't know who that is around the Rockies, but you made it to my Pistol Grip New York video gate. I don't know who that is around the Rockies, but you made it to my Pistol Grip New York video gate. Oh, Pistol Grip 127, New York City, back quiet. Hey, Trinitron 9, you got a fan? Audio. Hey, yo, Trinitron 9, you got a fan in that, man. Hello, beer drinker. Old Pistol, the most talked about man on the East Coast. Me and this hole in the wall, Brooklyn CB shop back quiet. Roger, right on. Well, you just type in CB19NYC. When you type in CB19NYC, you got my New York City morning show. And you see the three junkies I'm up against every morning. I get a kick out of proving all their words lies, man. NYC Radio Wars, the playlist on YouTube. The first 7 videos and the last 7 are shockers. NYC Radio Wars, the playlist on YouTube. You're holding the wall, New York CB shop, back quiet.
Yeah, Mr. Good man, I'm all familiar with your scene. I know all about it, brother. I don't know how you do it, man. Hats off to you, cheers to you. It's amazing how you put up with all that bullshit, man. You keep on trucking. It's amazing. God bless. You have a fan out here in Staten Island, New York City. Dear Drinker 318, you have a fan out here, brother.
I appreciate that, man. I appreciate all those kind words. But I can assure you when I tell you how I do it and how I get it done is because I'm nothing like they say I am. But I think I have a good time demonstrating that to the listeners. I don't know what y'all think. I don't want y'all to think bad of me, but until I can get these ducks to man up and bring their words to life, I'm going to run them right into the ground. No, listen, I'm not really in this for the money, man. I've never been in this game for the money. I'm in it for the love of the hobby. The love of the hobby, baby. So they're getting mad because they can't make no money around New York City now that I came back out. They can't make no scam money. They can't rob nobody. They can't sell no bogus equipment. Yes, sir. There's a whole lot of bogus equipment floating around New York and New Jersey. And they can't off it because Richie in the mix.
Mr. Fan, for those that down south 1095 and back of the bay reading the mail.
Bulldozer's back out there. Hey, Pistol Ripping Beer Drinker. Bulldozer's back out there. Bulldozer Mobile's back in the mix. Trinitron 9, Brooklyn, New York. Just got down.
Roger, right on. Let me get quiet. Audio. Hey, yo, Trinitron 9, let me get quiet and let both these video games do what they're supposed to. Audio. Oh, Trinitron 9, I'm back on my whole shoot.
Cloud is snow, brother. Bulldozer, we need you up here in New York City, man. Cloud is shit out of here.
Top of the afternoon, Trinitron 914 to 4, back quiet.
Hey there, 144. Take care, my friend. Take care, Bulldozer. Take care in the band. Trinitron 9, Brooklyn, New York, with the worldwide wave. Breaker, breaker, breaker.
And that's a New York Roger. Trinitron 9, see you. Bye, 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 bye.
Bye, 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 bye.
Larry Jones, I think it was 1.
Sony audio right there, right now. Sony audio right there, right now. Bulldozer right there, right now. All by myself, all by myself, all by myself, all by myself. Bye, 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 bye.
See if I can get around the X line right there. Good evening, time around the X line. I guess 1 forward to forward looking condition. Back.
Nobody. Hey, Bulldozer, nobody.
Uh-oh, here I go. Pistol.